Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm Yanis Trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening. Today is Thursday, March the 14th, 2013, and it's 12:30 a.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. The futures market and the forex market are opened, and we had a new bar for Thursday for today. This video is a video review for EuroFX currency futures valid for tomorrow, Thursday the 14th. Well, actually it's today. So let's see very quickly what happened in the last month. Basically, those who follow me know that I have been looking at this violation on the downside of the 13 the actual level was the violation of the 3485. You have to consider this is the continuous contract, so the levels are now slightly different from those that have been monitoring in the past, because the continuous contract is aligned to the June 2013 expiration. But if you look at the chart, you'll see that I'll trace from the same swing highs and lows. So with the violation of the 134.85 level here on the downside, we had the start of this move lower, and we have a sequence of measured move lower. The first one came at the 136 area of resistance. First target 134.20 was it. Then we had a new retracement all the way halfway back in the 135.40 area, and we had this resistance here, and price kept moving lower, hitting the 132.80 90 level here, and then the second target 131.60 area. Actually we couldn't make it, so we traced from highs to highs, and we had again 133 area acting as a resistance with target in 131, and the next measured move in this sequence, which kept holding, came in the 131.70 area here, as we can see. And initially a price could not make it to this target, so actually we continued trading this setup, and we had this rally Thursday last week, and but then it was negated the very next day. So in the old contract we came just 6 pips away from the target, so we can see that this target hit, and we traced the new short setup from highs to lows because of tradition, and we had this 130.70 area of resistance, which acted as a resistance on Tuesday, and then in the morning, and then in the morning of yesterday, Wednesday the 13th, and we had this move lower. So where the market is moving, those who follow me know that I've been looking at the market to move back into the 129 area, which is this drop from lows in July 2012 to highs in February. And as we can see, we came very close to this level today, and actually there is also another level, which is the start of a support area, which would be very relevant for the euro, and this area already traded here, as we can see. So the two levels you have to keep in mind on a new contract are the 129.60 area and the 129.10-15 area here. Actually potentially we are already in a long here, and however we have to be careful, and we have to know that this market would actually dip lower into this 129.15, but even lower to just this 20-day moving average, and actually we could dip even lower into this 128.40. So I think it's too early to get on the bandwagon here of the longs. Keep in mind that everybody is talking about the euro crisis and the problem of the euro, but the euro was able to actually rally also in the face of the crisis last year and the year before. So I think we have to respect the technical setups here. Program trading and professionals are probably going to buy in this area, and that's what I'm looking at. So in order to understand when we will have a confirmation of participation long, we can use this anchor here. This anchor is going to be very important. So whatever the low will be, let's suppose that the low is going to test the 20-day moving average. It doesn't mean that it's going to do that, but if that were the case, I mean, the 130.06 level would be very important to break the sequence of measure move lower here and confirm the presence of support here. So at the moment this level is a little bit higher, and the level we have to watch to have confirmation of longs is in the 130.25, 130.30. So should price move above that level, we can have a retrace, and then we can enter in this new move higher that has the potential to bring price right into this 140.90, 141 area. I hope this video is useful. This video again is valid for tomorrow, Thursday, March the 14th, 2013, and I look forward to see you on my blog, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.